And I want her to love me back. And I want just one moment of relief from the gut-wrenching pain of knowing that that's never going to happen.
We have red bagels.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah, it's kind of a relief. You want to see if we still have it?
Yeah. That's kind of nice.
Yeah, it's kind of a relief. You want to see if we still have it?
Yeah.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word relief. It means alleviation, ease, or deliverance through the removal of pain, distress, oppression, etc. Also means a means or thing that relieves pain, distress, anxiety, etc. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce relief, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to leaf. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how relief is used in real life.
And I want just one moment of relief.
Yeah, it's kind of a relief. Yeah, it's kind of a relief.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.